Hello, dear students. Welcome to video series of database management system. In our previous video, we was discussed about the syllabus introductions of the DBMS. Our DBMS subjects contains a total 6 unit, starting with our first unit, Introductions to Database Management System. In this unit, we will discuss about some fundamentals, definitions, some different types of systems available for data store, what is DA, what is DBA, all the kinds of definitions we will discuss in this unit. So let us start our first unit with the definition, Introductions to Database Management System. Our subject code is 330703. Next, we will discuss in this unit definition and concept of DBMS. In this point, we will discuss about the definition of data, informations, database, what is database management system, metadata, fields, tables, records, data dictionary, some basic definitions of database. After that, we will differentiate data and informations. What is data and what is the informations? After that, we will discuss about the environment, working environment structure of the database. There are the two database operators are available as data administrator and database administrators. We will discuss what is database administrator, who is data administrator, and who is the database administrators. After responsibilities of DBA, which kind of work performed by the DBA? File oriented systems. What is file oriented system? What is paper based system? This all the concept we will discuss. Okay. After that, advantages and disadvantages of the DBMS over file oriented system. So this topics we will discuss in our first unit. Let us start with the first one, definition and concept of the database. Let's start our first definition of first unit, data. Okay, what do you mean by data? The definition of data means known fact that can be stored. For example, student ID, student name, student city, S_branch, another examples, all are the examples of the data. So data means known facts, means we know about that facts and it can be stored. Data can be storable. For example, your name. For example, one student having the Ram, name is Ram, then Ram is data for the students. If his city is Junagadh and his branch is computer, then this is the data for the Ram student. Okay, and this all the data can be storable in the any form of hardware or software, any form of data. So the basic definition of the data is known facts that can be stored. Okay. After data, the second definition is informations. Information means processed or organized the data. If I have a data like, for example, students' marks, then I have process on the marks, putting 3 subjects marks, make it sum and find the average of this 3 subjects marks, then it is considered as percentage. So here percentage is the informations, which is process or organizing the data. Or the second example of the information is run rate. Okay. Data and information both are the same thing, but it different for the different people. For example, in the purpose of you, percentage is information, and the purpose of your faculty, percentage is the data. For student data, student ID, student name is your identity. So, in the purpose of you or any person is a data, or for any another person it is the informations. Clear? This is the two definition of the data and informations. Third one definition is database. Database means it is a collection of interrelated data. Database, collection of interrelated data. For example, student informations database, book bank, college database. This all are the example of the database. If student informations database contain the informations like student ID, student name, city, branch. So, this all the columns are interrelated to each other. In the database, there is a no column like run rate, another columns which is not related to student informations. So, this database is interrelated to each other. For example, book bank database, then there is a no need student ID, student name, student city in book bank database. Okay, I hope clear. Three definitions: data, information and database. If asking in the exams, then you completely write the full definition with example. Data means non-facts that can be stored. Information means processed or organized the data. Database means it is a collection of interrelated data. Okay. Go to next slide. For easily understand, I have considered one example for the data. Marks of 3 subjects are given below. You already study CP, physics, ECHM subjects in your previous semester. I have considered CP 25 marks, physics subject 20 marks and ECHM subjects 21 marks. So, this is for me, it is a data. After information, I count the average of 3 subjects like 25 plus 20 plus 21 divided by 3 equals to 22. This average is information for me and marks is a data for me. Clear? I hope this example easily understanding by the students. So, I will take this example. Next slide. Next definition. Fourth one is management. We already discussed 3. Fourth one is management. First of all, we discuss about our subject full form definition, DBMS, Database Management System. We discuss data, information and database. Now discuss management. Manipulations, searching and security of the data. Manipulations means how to manage this all the kinds of data. Searching means if I want to search before 10 years of data, then searching is easy. And security, my data is secure for storing. For example, searching of the product in Amazon, viewing result in GTU website, all are the example of the management. If I want to search any product in Amazon, then it will be displays only Amazon websites data, not display any Flipkart or any other online shopping data. Okay. Viewing GTU results. If you enter your enrollment number, then it will be displays your result, not the another one results. That means GTU manage this student's data. This is the management, manipulation, searching and security. After system, fifth one definition is system. Program or tools used to manage the database. System means which platform we have to use to manage our program, to manage the database, or any tool for manage our database. In our purpose, we use Oracle 11g for as a system to manage our data. Clear? Total 5 definitions we understand: data, informations, database, management, system. Now we combine all the definitions and at last we make a definition of DBMS, database management system. A database management system is a collection of interrelated data and a set of programs to manipulate this data. Again, DBMS definition: a database management system, which is the full form of DBMS, is a collection of interrelated data. That means one or more database or one or more table which is interrelated to data. This is a program can be managed or manipulate this data. That is known as database management system. DBMS equals to database plus a set of program. Set of program like we have to store data, modify data, remove data, retrieve the data. For the manipulation purpose or searching purpose, we have to use Oracle 11g to perform a practicals on the DBMS. So, our system and tool in the purpose of this subject is Oracle 11g. Okay, I hope clear up to definition of the DBMS. Okay. In first slide we will discuss about data and informations. In your exams may be asked this type of questions: what is the difference between data and informations? So, first difference you write the both the definition. Data means non-fact that can be recorded or that can be stored and having implicit meaning. Okay, information means process or organize the data. Like example of the data: student number, name, city, account number, balance. And information means percentage. We derive or process or organized some data in some particular format, that it is informations. In the data, raw material used to derive the information, product derived from the data. For data, we need a raw material. For the informations, our raw material is our data. Compared to informations, data is less useful. Compared to data, information is more useful. Clear? This kind of question asked in university exams for the 2 marks. Next, we will discuss about the application of the DBMS. Which place we have to use a DBMS or database management systems. DBMS is computerized recording, keep recording system. So, we require to store some data in the DBMS can be used for the e-commerce, as like Flipkart, Amazon, Shopcruise, etc. For if I want to know when I first order in Flipkart before the 5 years, then Flipkart show me all the my datas. So these are the applications or use of the database in e-commerce website. Online television streaming, right now Hotstar, Amazon Prime. Okay, this all the television streaming need to database management system. Social media, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, banking, insurance, airlines and railway, universities and colleges, human resource, hospital, government organizations. So each and every place need a database to manage a data of the particular user or many user. So this all are the applications of or use of the database management system. I just listed someone, still many more applications are available for DBMS. Clear? Go to next point. Again, continue with our definition, fundamental definition. 7th definition is metadata. Metadata. It is a data about data. Data about data means what? Data such as table name, column name, data type, authorized user for any table is called a metadata for that table. Data about data means which data I stored in my table. So the description of table, like what is the table name, what is the column name, type of the column, data, authorized user for any kind, any table is called the metadata for the table. Here you see the table of the faculties, which contains the faculty ID, faculty name, faculty mobile number and city. For example, there are the 3 records available with the faculty ID 123, name Joy Bob Alice, faculty mobile number and the faculty city. Okay, I store my data in some table or some particular table format which contains the column name like faculty ID, faculty name, faculty mobile number and city. Here table name is faculty, so the faculty is metadata about the data stored in the table. Column name like faculty ID, faculty name, faculty mobile number and city, which tell me about how data or which type of data can be stored in this particular table. Data type here are used as numeric data type and character data type. In the DBMS, we will discuss about the data types in unit 3. Authorized user means who is the owner of this table and who will retrieve and update this database. So this all are the metadata of the faculty table. So metadata, the definition of metadata is it is the data about data. Which type of data stored in the table, it's give the information about the metadata. Okay. Next one, continue our definition, entities. Okay. A things or object or person in the real world that is different from all other objects. For example, we consider ourselves as an entity or a things or a objects or a person. Okay, that means we are a person in the real world that is different from the other objects or other persons. It is true, in the real world one person is differentiated to another one, that is we all are considered as an entity. Your book is considered as an entity. Okay, a things, any things you can consider as a entity. A pen, a pencil you can consider as a entity. Okay, attributes, property or characteristic of an entity. For example, your name, your address, your city, your branch is entity of you. Okay. For example, a pencil is entity, then pencil company name, pencil dark point size, which all are the different attributes of the different entity. Okay. Entity having a different attributes. Third one definition is relationship, entity and attributes. It is an associated between several entity. Okay, a relationship between one entity to another entity, it is known as relationship. Key, a data items or a field which used to identify a record in the database is referred as a key. For example, your enrollment number is referred as a key, which is used to find out you uniquely from the many of the records or many of the database. Clear? See the example here. Again, we consider a same faculty table with the 4 column: faculty ID, faculty name, faculty mobile number and city. With the 3 records, name is also same with our previous table. Our table name is faculty, so the entity is faculty. Column name of the table, that means faculty ID, name, faculty number and city, which is the attributes of the faculty table. Attributes means property or characteristic of an entity. So the faculty is entity, then ID, name, mobile number and city, this is the attributes of the faculty. Relationship between attributes and entity. Okay. These are the relationship between attributes and entity. For more details, we will discuss in the ER diagrams what are the relationship between entity and attributes, how it can be established and how we will manage all the things. Continue with our definitions. Data items or fields. Data items or fields. It is a character or group of character, alphabet or numeric that have specific meaning. It is represented in the database by the value. See, it is a character or a group of the character which contains alphabets or numeric that have specific meaning. Here F underscore name having the specific meaning like faculty name. It is a group of characters. Okay, F underscore name is a group of character having some specific meaning like this field contains a faculty name. Okay, it is represented in the database by the value. That means faculty name like Joy, Bob, Alice. Okay, that is called a field. Record, it is a collection of logically related fields. It is a collection of logically related fields. Here each field in a record contains fixed size and fixed data type. Collection of logical related fields. One column just known as a data items and the collection of each column or row, it can be considered as a record. Here fields like faculty ID, faculty name, faculty mobile number and city which is logically related to each other and that make as a one record that we know as first record, second Bob 456 Jamnagar is a second record, third Alice 789 Rajkot is a third record. So record is a collection of logically related fields. Clear? 11th definition is files, which already you make the files of your each and every subjects. Same here, the files, it is a collection of related records. Thus records are generally arranged in specific sequence. If you having a file like DBMS, then starting with our practical first to go through practical 13, that is a record which is arranged in specific sequence, and it is a collection of related records. In DBMS file, only DBMS practical is available. No any C++ practical are available in this file. Like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Notepad, PDF, all are the examples of the files. Clear? So, database system architecture, how it is work, what are the end user, what are the database administrator, what is the software, all the things we will discuss in our next video, starting with this point, database environment. After finishing this video or after completions our all definitions, we go through DBA, DA, database system architectures, what are the paper based system, what are the file oriented system, what are the basics of database, advantages of database, all the concept we will discuss in our previous video. Before the finish this video, we revised our some concept of and definition, starting with our first definition is data. Total 11 definitions are we discuss in this video, starting with the data. Data means non-fact that can be stored. Information means processed or organized data. Database means it is a collection of interrelated data. These are the example of the data. And informations, percentage of 3 subjects marks is for the information of my purpose, management, manipulation and searching, and security of data, how to manage our data, system, tool or program that can be used to manage the data. In the database purpose, we have to use Oracle 11g. DBMS, full form of the DBMS is database management system. A definition of DBMS is database management system is a collection of interrelated and a set of programs that manipulate the data. Difference between data and informations. Application of database management system in where DBMS is used, we discuss e-commerce, online, social media, banking, airlines, universities. Example of different examples we take for these applications. Metadata, data about data, which type of data stored in our table, it's informed by our is metadata. Entity, object or person in the real world which is different from all other. Attributes, property of entity, relationship associated between entity and attributes. Key, the field which can be used to identify a record uniquely. We see here faculty is entity, column name is our attributes, and relationship between both of them. Data items or field, any character or a group of the character having the specific meaning, like faculty name. Records, collection of interrelated or logically related fields which make as a record. Files, file means a collection of related records. Records are generally arranged in specific sequence. We already discussed example like DBMS file and C++ file. Okay. In next lecture, we will discuss about the database system environment, how database system can work. What is DA? What is DBA? Who is DBA? Who is DA? Both the difference, function and responsibility of DA, how the paper-based system work. This all the concept we will discuss in our next video. In this video, if you having still doubt, then mention in the comment section or discuss with me. Thanks all of you.